The RMIT Job Shop is running 2 free workshops today. Wednesday, the 11th of May, networking with confidence starting at 12 p.m. and then at 2 p.m. define your career goals.
Yes, it is my name.
If you're an international student studying at RMIT University, learn how to stand out in the job market even if you haven't had your first professional role yet. Well, you need to go to this workshop and learn how to network with confidence. You'll see that the power of volunteering, independent development and networking, it can have a great effect in helping you make a great first impression on a future employer and open the door to your next opportunity. You'll learn how to analyse a job ad to identify key skills required, how to assess your past experiences and find transferable skills, how to communicate your skills during networking, what's an elevator pitch, what's that all about, and how to maintain and grow an effective relationship after networking. In the second workshop, define your career goals. What's that about? Why not join 1,500 or more RMIT students who have attended this workshop and are on their way to achieving their goals? During this workshop, you'll define and plan your goals, and that'll help you to stand out in an incredibly competitive employment landscape. And this is delivered by Josh Farr. He's the founder of Campus Consultancy, and he's given 2 TEDx talks. Register now. The link is below in the description. G'day and welcome to This International Student Life. We tell stories and our story is international student education, and what a great event this is. G'day and welcome to This International Student Life. We're presenting a series of episodes about Melbourne's International Student Week. This is all presented as part of Study. This is all presented by Study Melbourne and Jobs Victoria. Wise Words Media is always looking for great stories about international students in Melbourne, and we're always keen to share any story of any student here that we think might be helpful to those. You might be currently overseas just trying to decide whether to come to Australia. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you soon. This International Student Life is produced by Wise Words Media. This episode contains nil paid promotions. All information in this episode is taken from sources available to the public in the public domain. Wise Words Media accepts no responsibility for any errors or omissions of information in this episode. Melbourne International Student Week is presented by the Committee for Melbourne and proudly sponsored by Study Melbourne as an initiative of the Economic Development Department of the Victorian State Government.